Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'll be showing you how I prepared wheat pongal. I'm going to show you two versions of wheat pongal. One is going to be the spicy version and the sweet version. So wheat pongal is very healthy for diabetic people, and people who want to avoid rice can prepare this wheat pongal. Now let's get started. Here we have dry roasted the wheat bulgur or the broken wheat, and we have reserved it. Make sure to dry roast it and use it for the recipe. The same goes for the mung bean. We have dry roasted the mung bean and we'll be using the dry roasted mung bean in this recipe. I'm measuring the wheat. So you can use any measure. Here I'm using a coffee tumbler and I'm measuring the wheat. I'll be using 2 coffee tumblers of wheat for this recipe. So my coffee tumbler measures 125 grams. And using the same coffee tumbler, I've also measured the mung beans or the Mung Dhal. I've used 1 1/3 cup of Mung Dhal. So the wheat and Mung Dhal is washed thoroughly thrice. I've started to add water. Here I'll be adding 7 cups of water in the same coffee tumbler. I've heated a pressure cooker on medium flame and placed enough water and trivet in the pressure cooker. We will be steam cooking this for 3 whistles. I've placed the whistle. While my wheat and moong dal is getting cooked, I've started to prep the jaggery. So in the same coffee tumbler, I've measured 2.5 measures of jaggery. I've added it to a pot. We'll just melt the jaggery and reserve it. So I've added 1 glass of that coffee tumbler measure water. I'll place this on medium flame and I've melted the jaggery. I've also strained it. So it's better to strain your jaggery. Now all my ingredients are ready. The moong dal and the wheat has cooked. The jaggery is melted and reserved. We'll require grated ginger, cumin seeds, crushed peppercorns, curry leaves, slit green chilies, asafoetida, cashew nuts, raisins, edible camphor, and cardamom. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with measurements. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. The blog link, my social media handle links, and my Tamil channel link will be listed in the description box below this video. I'm going to start preparing the spicy pongal, that is the Khara-Pongal or vent pongal. Here I've heated a pot on medium flame. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee in the pot. Once the oil heats up well, I've added cashew nuts. I've started to fry the cashew nuts till it turns light golden brown in color. Once the cashew nuts have fried, I'll drain it from the oil and reserve it. Now I've added the cumin seeds, crushed peppercorns, grated ginger, slit green chilies and curry leaves. I've also added asafoetida. We'll fry all the ingredients till the raw flavor reduces. Once the raw flavor from ginger reduces, we'll add half the amount of the wheat and dal which is already cooked and reserved. I've added salt as per taste right now and water. I've added 2 glasses of water. In the same coffee tumbler measure, I've added 2 glasses of water. I'll add half the amount of the cooked wheat and dal. We'll stir all the ingredients. We'll allow the wheat and dal to cook and reduce in this masala. I've given it a good stir, placed a cover and allowed it to boil until all the ingredients combine well and cook together. So place this on low to medium flame. I'll start preparing the sweet pongal. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. We'll allow the oil and ghee to heat up. I'm going to start frying the raisins and the reserved cashew nuts for the sweet pongal. We'll fry all the ingredients till the cashew nut turns light golden brown in color. Once the cashew nut turns light golden brown in color, I've drained it from the ghee and oil and reserved it on a plate. The same oil, I'll be frying the cardamom. Cardamom should be crushed and used in this recipe. So I've added the crushed cardamom to the oil and I'll add the other half of the cooked dal and wheat. We'll fry the dal and wheat along with the cardamom and make sure to break all your hard lumps if there is any. Now we have added the jaggery, which is melted, and water. So I have combined all the ingredients at this point and this is on low to medium flame. The wheat has to cook well and it has to combine in the jaggery. We'll add edible camphor. I've added a pinch of edible camphor to this, which is also known as Pachai Karpooram. In 10 minutes, my wheat and jaggery has reduced and the sweet pongal is ready. Final garnish will be some ghee and the reserved cashew nuts and raisins should be added and combined in the sweet pongal. But I'll be garnishing it for the photography later. Now the sweet wheat pongal is ready. Simultaneously, my vent pongal or the Khara-Pongal is also ready. It has cooked well and it's combined. You can see the consistency. We'll be adding ghee to the vent pongal. We'll combine all the ingredients and we just have to serve this as hot as possible and garnish it with cashew nut. So I've served both the vent pongal and my sweet pongal as hot as possible. I've garnished it with some extra ghee and cashew nuts. For the sweet pongal, we have garnished it with the raisins and cashew nuts. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my blog link, social media handle links and Tamil channel link. Wheat pongal is an excellent addition for your breakfast. It's very healthy and especially for people who are dieting and want to avoid rice, can try the wheat pongal. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.